I found this birding place here. They built up a tower where you can go up, and I'm not sure what you can see on the other side here, but it's some kind of birding place. It seems to be very popular here in the area. And we have a sign here. It says this South Padre Island Birding and Nature Center. Wow, it's a cool sign, right? And they have a little fake fountain here, of course, to make it really cozy for the birders. Nice parking lot though, and a water tower. Let's just go and find out if this is cool. I paid my $8 and now I'm going in here. Wow, first thing I see is some beautiful yellow flowers here. It's a nice tree, right? And they have a little garden here. And they really built up a nice little place here. Let me show you guys. They also put up a feeder for hummingbirds here, so in case you need some sugar, you can probably, you know, take a sip from that water, right? This is a nice place though. Wow, look at that. It's a little secret lagoon area here in a very populated area here. And up there is the magic tower, the viewing tower. Yeah, and they have these walkways here. They have an alligator pond, and I think I see these alligators here. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend you to swim here in this little pond. Wow, take a look. Baby alligators. I'm sure they can bite even if they are small, right? There's a bunch of these guys down here. Wow. This is actually one up on land here. I mean, what do we have it? 15, 20 alligators here. I wonder what they do with them later on here, when they get too big to stay in the pond here. I will just slowly kind of walk out here and find out what's going on here. Oh, they have the big Padre. Yeah, this is the Padre Island, right? And the big boss of these gators, the guy who could eat you. Maybe you can see him down there in the water. He's just, you see the head is sticking up there. So you go down here, you will be his dinner for sure. I hope you can see it. Yeah, the big Padre. I like him. They put up a sign here, what you can see here in the swamp. And these trees here are really cool. I mean, they are growing here in the salty water here. And this is a good spot actually. You can see all kind of stuff. Ducks, egrets, waders, you name it. Butterflies. Lots of butterflies flying around here. And they also have wild alligators here. So swimming might not be your preferred activity here in this water. Here you can see a lot of egrets. You can see ibis, also the spoonbill, which is really beautiful here. It's kind of reddish, pinkish in the color, even though I can't see one right now. So I'm not sure if they are just here, you know, maybe during the winter. I don't know. On the other hand, I don't have a spotting scope right now, and my eyes can't really see that far out. Yeah, crazy, right? And they talk about different types of birds here in the winter time. And by the way, not only do they mark birds, right, with the ring, also the visitors will get some kind of tag. They also built this, well, they have several of these actually. They call them bird blinds. This is number 2. It probably means that you are like invisible, so the bird can't really see you, okay? But it's nice. It creates some shade, and it's easier to kind of check out what's going on down here in the water. Yeah, let's see. Eat it. I can't wait. Yeah, dip it. It's like soy sauce. You have to dip it. Please, show us. How do you eat that? Yeah, I know. The fish is almost dead now. Come on. Come on, dude. Alright, so okay. It's going in slowly. Come on. What is it doing? Is it chewing? Yeah, right. Now is it? No. Came out again. Maybe it's too alive. I switched side here. No. Oh, almost. Oh, there you go. It disappeared. Okay, thank you, guy. You showed us how to eat a fish. Okay, that's cool. Alright, that was cool to see when he ate that fish, even though it took like freaking 2 minutes to get it down. But why not? And yeah, they actually have another observation deck out here in the water. They warn you, be careful, there are wild alligators here. But it doesn't bother the fishermen out here. Maybe because these alligators are in here. I'm not sure how far out in the water they go, but I would not take a chance to wrestle a 10-foot alligator. By the way, this is how modern life bird watching will be. You're in the middle of a city, they carve out a little park, they make it really comfortable for you to walk, and the true feeling of nature is not really there, but it's still very cool because you can come really close to the wildlife. It's just too bad these areas are too small normally, but you know, better than nothing, I guess. The world is really shrinking. That's the problem here. They give you some nice information here. They put up you know, the summer birds you can see here on this boardwalk here. Everything from little blue herons to the spoonbills to the ibis. You see the kiskadee over here, right, and so on and so on. So it's kind of cool. Lots of interesting birds if you're into these kind of things. This is definitely the center of the swampland here. We are surrounded by green, lush vegetation here. A swampland full of alligators. And this one for some reason ends right here. There is another path here. I'm not sure how to get to that, but for some reason we came to a dead end. All right, I have to go back. I am very curious about this little tower they have there, the observation deck. I can't wait to go up there. That will be fun, to give you a nice overview of the area here. We have some ducks down here. It's a good spot if you're a duck. maybe safe from alligators. I don't know. I have a feeling the gators are, you know, in between these trees out here. You never know, right? Oh, we still have to go more. I can't just go to the tower. Okay, I see that. We need to go here. And what can be better than a big power plant in the middle of all this? Modern way life. Wow. Well, as long as it doesn't bother the birds, that's totally fine. They have there is another set of boardwalks here, as you can see. It's in a different color. I'm not sure how to even get out there. If this belongs to the same place, I don't know. Or maybe, you know, I should have picked up a map or something, because I don't know how to go out there. Well, I see some spoonbills now, by the way. They're far away, but let's give it a shot and see if I can get closer. We have 4 of them right here, right in front of us. They are basically maybe 50 yards out, so it's really hard to get them on video here, and they're also sleeping right now, so you can't really see the structure of the bill, right? The beak, whatever you call it. And but you see the color. The one to the left, the single one, is the most red. It's a very beautiful bird. Okay, I think we are done here, if I can get back. Let's go back up to the tower. I'm back at the nature center here, and I'm taking the stairs up like a champ. Whew. It's a good workout. Okay. Looks like they're cleaning the water here. Maybe it's from the town itself, and that's good. But I still need to go higher. And higher. When will it end? Oh, all right. Where am I? This is it. And they talk about wastewater here. But I want to show you the view. This is really a nice area, and the size is pretty okay, even though in the big scheme it's a smaller nature center, right? But still, it's really nice. And I'm thinking here in the winter it will be jam-packed with, you know, ducks and more waders from the north, of course. It's kind of windy up here, but at least you have seen the birding place here in South Padre Island here. And if you come here to relax, bring some binoculars and drag yourself up here and come and visit. Check out the alligators, the birds, the spoonbills, maybe some ibis, who knows. Come and enjoy, my friends. See you next time.